Hello traders, in this video I will trade on Codex platform. This is a very good platform. It is a fast withdrawal and very good review this platform. So I will trade this platform with candlestick psychology. If you join this platform, I can link in description box. Please check. Okay, so let's start trading. And first of all, I analyze the market, then I place it. Okay, here is a good support level. I can draw it. Here is a good support level, and here is buyers, sellers coming. Here is a point, here is a point, and here is a point. Okay, so let's see the result. Okay, this is the OTC market, very risky market. You can avoid OTC market, okay, if you beginner. And I win this trade. I place another currency pairs. Here is a good situation for downtrend. Okay, I place another trade. Why I placed it? You see, the candle is bearish engulfing pattern. Here is a point, market go down. Okay, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel for next update. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom 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 boom. Yes, is profit. Okay, let's see another video. Thank you, thanks for watching my video.